It is always good to use skincare sprays because you're applying them on bare skin and your skin is vulnerable at this point. Make sure you use this generously. It has aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea. Look at it very well. By the title of this video, you already know what I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to be updating you my skin prep routine, what I do right now for myself and my client before applying makeup. If you're new here, you are absolutely welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos over and over again. You guys are amazing. You're my real VIP and I do not take you for granted. Thank you. So let's dive right into this video without further ado. I'm going to start off by cleansing my skin, and I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This one right here is for combination and oily skin. So if you have an oily skin or combination skin, this one right here is perfect for your skin type. And I'll be using the cotton pad I'm using is from Msmetics. You can use any cotton pad that you have. I just noticed that this one is a lot more put together. It doesn't scatter while you're working with it. The quality is better than the regular one I buy from the supermarket. However, if that's what you can lay your hands on, that also is very okay. Make sure that you deeply and thoroughly cleanse your skin. Even though your client is just coming out from the shower or you're just coming out from the shower right now, make sure that you clean your skin thoroughly and deeply, you know, to take off any dirt from your skin. You can see I got rid of some dirt, so it's very important you cleanse your skin very well. This cleanser is really my favorite. I like that. It's very effective and it does the work for you. This is like what I would recommend for you anytime, any day. Next, I'm going to be using Skin by Zaron Ultimate Glow Brightening Toner. This toner, I think I stopped using it for a year now. I don't know why I stopped using this product. Like, this is one of the products that I used some time ago that I really loved how my skin was looking. But you know when you have a lot of products and new things, you know, involving you tend to not leave some certain product. That's what happened to me, and I don't know why I stopped using this product. If you can get your hand on this toner, guys, this is absolutely amazing. It's infused with kojic acid, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid. I don't know. And what this does is it's brightening, exfoliating, and hydrating. It's for all skin types. Just look at it. Absolutely lovely. And I use it twice a day. You can use it morning and night. This is the morning and night. Make sure that you cleanse very well and apply that all the way down to your neck as well. Don't just apply it on your face. Make sure it gets to your neck as well. And that's what I use it for. So if you are using it for yourself twice a day, you don't have to use it on clients. You can just keep this part when you are doing prepping for your clients. Just go with your cleanser. After cleanser, then you move to your hydrating spray. The next thing I'll be doing is to hydrate my skin. And to hydrate my skin, I'll be using the Mario Badescu Skin Prep Spray. It is always good to use skincare sprays because you're applying them on bare skin and your skin is vulnerable at this point. You can also hydrate your skin using more than one product. Make sure you use this generously. Make sure you use it generously. It has aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea. Look at it very well. And see it? Cucumber and green tea extract are great ingredient for combating hyperpigmentation of skin. Aloe vera is also a very good skincare ingredient to ensuring a smooth canvas on your skin. So if you have a product that you're using to hydrate your skin or your client's skin that has all of these nutrients in it, amazing, you can just go ahead and use that. I want you all to see the finished look of using that spray. Just look at the finished look of using just that spray. Just see how my skin is glowing even before I apply anything. Just see it. I absolutely love it. Next, I'll be using moisturizer, and the moisturizer I'm using, you already know my favorite, my all-time favorite. I love this baby so much. Is the e.l.f. Only Daily Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. I started using this moisturizer when I ran out of my Msmetics Moisture Bomb, which is actually water-based. Water-based moisturizers are best for people who have oily skin. So if you find out that your skin is oily or your client's skin is oily, make sure you apply your skincare accordingly. You might ask, how would you find out your skin type or your client's skin type? If you don't see it, feel free to ask. There is nothing to be ashamed of. It doesn't mean you don't know what you are doing. And I already have a video on that where I talked about the skin type, how to identify your skin type. It's pretty easy. A client that has a oily skin, from the moment they step into your studio, you will know, because you will see that the entire skin is shining. Combination skin, you will only see a little bit of shine around the T-zone areas. And for dry skin, you will not even see that shine at all. So that's the way you can use to know it. However, if you're still unable to detect it, kindly ask your client. Apply the moisturizer all over your face evenly. Make sure to use your mini fan to dry that in for the skin to take in all the nutrients from the products. If you just go back to back from one product to another, it will not work. You will notice it will just be on the surface of the skin. They will not sink in. So you need to use your fan. From here, you can go ahead and apply skin prep for the purpose of longevity, where primer comes in. So that's pretty much it for my skin prep, what I do lately. And I can't even lie, this has been super amazing. My skin look really good and healthy looking when I do this process. So thank you so much for staying to the end. I absolutely love you, and I can love you less. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube connect me and push this video out to more people to see. Please subscribe and like this video and share with your makeup besties. Thank you so much once again. See you in my next video. Bye.